Sears Freezer Repair Authorized Service in Los Angeles is a premier appliance repair service company, employing only factory-trained Sears freezer repair technicians. We repair Sears freezers and service Sears freezers. We repair Sears chest freezers as well as Sears 2-in-1 refrigerator freezers, Sears refrigerators, Sears ice makers, Sears ice machines, Sears wine coolers, Sears undercounters, and much more. We have technicians standing by in Los Angeles and the surrounding areas such as Beverly Hills, Santa Monica, Orange County, San Fernando Valley, Malibu, Oxnard, Sherman Oaks, Brentwood, West Los Angeles, Pasadena, and Burbank. Call us today at 877-309-7770. One of our friendly operators would be glad to assist you in setting up an appointment.